This is the Summit Youth Business Conference. It brings together so many different individuals from across Christchurch, and it's a great place for us to share and connect with ideas and show their businesses around.
Summit is all about inspiring the next generation of entrepreneurs and founders in Ōtautahi Christchurch. We really saw an opportunity to bring everyone together and get everyone inspired and connected, and hopefully collaborating with other young business owners as well. So we have a few keynote speakers. So we've got Kaylin Huntress talking about harnessing AI for marketing, and we had an incredible keynote speaker called Darren Prattley who talked about the 6 key topics for business success. We also have a bunch of workshops talking about things like digital marketing, social media, intellectual property, and some inspiring speaker panels as well, with a bit of funding and networking all thrown in the mix. I think the students have been finding it really awesome so far, just having a different space that isn't school or uni, and it just being a really interactive sort of vibe with some food, and having an expo space as well kind of ties it all together. I guess our hope as event organisers for Summit is that young people would walk away feeling inspired, hopefully networking with one another and come away with some connections to collaborate on their business venture. We often find when you bring young people in a room, they walk away with the most amazing ideas, and we've seen people collaborate on social media, on their business ventures. But that collaboration is going to be awesome to see coming out of it.